Alright, let's see if I can pull off a side-by-side comparison with these big hands and these child toys. So the golden one is the Amazon one and the silver one is the Walmart one. We'll obviously start with the golden one. Well, dud on the first. Let's go for the Walmart. Hits the first one, no problem. Dud on that one. Back to Walmart. Ooh, dud there too. That was Amazon. Wow, we're not even turning anymore on the Walmart. That's kind of the issue with that one. Walmart, Amazon, Walmart, Amazon, Walmart. Completely jammed on the Walmart one. Amazon seems to be busted. Oh, there you go. Just show you it is turning. It doesn't hit every single one. Not the greatest toy in the world, but I'd definitely go with the Walmart one than the Amazon.